Owning a Porsche Cayenne S is an exhilarating experience, a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and utility. But with great power comes great responsibility. The thrill of the drive can quickly turn into a financial nightmare if you're not careful. We're talking about simple, overlooked maintenance items that can easily escalate into repair bills exceeding $10,000. Today, we're diving into the top 3 maintenance mistakes that are silently killing your Porsche Cayenne S and how you can avoid them. Porsche, in its wisdom, used plastic coolant pipes on many of the earlier Cayenne S models, particularly in the V8's valley. Over countless heat cycles, these plastic components become brittle, developing hairline cracks that lead to slow, often undetectable coolant leaks. Before you know it, a catastrophic failure occurs, leaving you stranded with an overheating engine. The telltale sign is often a puddle of coolant under the vehicle or the dreaded low coolant warning light. The solution is preventative replacement. Don't wait for it to fail. Upgrading to robust, aftermarket aluminum pipes during a routine service can save you from a potential engine-out repair that costs thousands. The same principle applies to the water pump. Its plastic impeller is another weak point. When you're doing the pipes, do the water pump. It's a classic case of an ounce of prevention being worth a pound of cure. The second costly mistake is ignoring the drivetrain, specifically the transmission and transfer case. These are complex, hard-working components that require fresh fluids to operate smoothly. Many owners follow the lifetime fluid myth, but in a heavy all-wheel drive performance SUV, that's a recipe for disaster. The transfer case, in particular, is known for causing a juddering or skipping sensation during tight, low-speed turns, a sign that the internal clutch packs are struggling due to degraded fluid. The fix? It's surprisingly simple. Change the transfer case fluid every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. It's a relatively inexpensive service that can prevent a multi-thousand-dollar replacement. Similarly, while the transmission fluid interval is longer, it's not infinite. Servicing it around the 60,000 to 80,000 mile mark ensures smooth shifts and a long, healthy life for one of your vehicle's most expensive components. Finally, let's talk about stopping power. The third mistake is overlooking early brake system wear. The Cayenne S is a heavy and powerful vehicle, and it puts immense stress on its brakes. The factory spec pads and rotors deliver incredible performance, but they wear out faster than you might expect, especially with spirited driving. Many owners wait until the brake wear sensor triggers the warning light on the dash. By then, it's often too late. The pads might be worn down to the metal backing plate, scoring and destroying the expensive rotors. A simple pad replacement can quickly turn into a full brake job costing 4 times as much. The key is proactive inspection. Check your brake pad thickness during every oil change or tire rotation. Catching wear early allows you to replace just the pads, saving your rotors and your wallet from unnecessary damage. These 3 areas, the cooling system, drivetrain fluids, and brakes, are the Achilles heel of an otherwise fantastic vehicle. By staying ahead of these common failure points, you can ensure your Porsche Cayenne S remains a source of joy, not a drain on your bank account. Remember, with a high-performance machine like this, preventative maintenance is never an expense. It's the best investment you can make.